So our next topic in C is break and continue statement. So first of all, we'll see what is a break statement. Break statement is used to break a loop whenever a condition is met. For example, if we are running a loop from 1 to 5, and if we want that when value of I is equals to 3, then loop should terminate. In that case, we can use break. So let's see. Integer I'm taking. Here I'm giving for loop for I equals to, I'm starting it from 0, semicolon I is less than equals to 5, semicolon I plus plus, bracket close. Here I'm giving condition if within bracket I equals to 3, then we have to break the loop. Otherwise, if it is not equals to 3, then printf within double quotes backslash n and value of I equals to percentage t, and here we are printing the value of I. So how it will run? Here value of I initially is 0. 0 is less than equals to 5. Condition is true, then it will come here. It will check if 0 is equals to 3. Condition is false. So it will not enter into this if. And it will print value of I equals to 0. Then it will make value of I 1 from 0 to 1, I plus plus. Then it will again check the condition is 1 is less than equals to 5. Condition is true, but here it is 1 is equals to 3. No, so it will not enter if, and it will print the value of I as 1. Then it will be 2. 2 is less than equals to 5. Condition is true, but 2 is equals to 3. No, so it will not enter if, and it will print value of I equals to 2. Then it will be 3. 3 is less than equals to 5. Condition again true. If now it is checking if I equals to 3. Yes, value of I is 3 and it is also 3. 3 is equals to 3. Then it will break. So what it is going to print? It will not, when I is equals to 3, it will break and it will not print this statement. So output would be 0 to 0, 1 and 2. After that 3, 4 and 5, it is not going to print. Save the program and build it. 0, 1 and 2 is the value of I it has printed. Now in this program we want that if a number I have given is divisible by 2, that time loop should terminate. So here I am taking integer I, n and num. Here I will be taking total number input from user. So printf backslash n, enter total number scanf back percentage t comma ampersand m. Now here I'm starting for loop for I equals to, I'm starting it from 0, semicolon I is less than equals to, it will go up to n, semicolon I plus plus. Printf backslash n, enter a number. Scanf percentage t comma ampersand, that number is num. Now here I have to check if num modulus 2 equals to 0. Whenever we provide a number which is whose remainder is 0, that time loop should terminate. Otherwise printf, it should print that number. number is equals to percentage t, and we have to print that number. Save the program and build it. Now it is asking me for total numbers. I'm giving 5. Enter a number, I'm giving 3. Enter a number, I'm giving 1. Enter a number, I'm giving 7. Enter a number, I'm giving now 4. Now 4 is divisible by 2. Loop will terminate. It will not ask me to enter any other number now. So in this program, we are going to see the use of continue statement. So continue statement is used to skip a part of loop whenever condition is met. For example, if we are printing a series of number from 0 to 5, and if we have given a condition that if I equals to 5, if I equals to 2, then it should skip printing that 2. So let's see. For I equals to, I'm starting it from 0, semicolon, I is less than equals to 5, semicolon, I plus plus. Here I'm giving condition if I equals to 2, when the value of I is 2, it should skip printing that I. For that I'm writing continue, and if it is not 2, then it should print the value of I. Printf \n value of I equals to percentage t, comma I, bracket close and semicolon. Save the program, build it, and then run it. So it has printed the value of I from 0, 1, it has skipped printing 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how it is working? Here value of I is 0, 0 is less than 5, condition is true, but 0 equals to 2, no, so it will not enter if, and it will directly print the value of I as 0. Then it will increment the value of I by 1. 1 is less than equals to 5, condition is true, but here it is not matching the condition, so it will not enter if and print the value of I as 1. Then it will make the value of I as 2. Here condition is true, 2 is less than equals to 5, condition is true. Now it will check if 2 equals to 2, condition is true, so it will continue. What it means that it will not print 2. It will skip printing that 2. After that, control will come here and increment the value of I by 1, making it 3. 3 is less than equals to 5, condition is true. Here it is not true, so it will not enter if, and it will directly print the value of I is 3. Then it will make the value of I as 4. 4 is less than equals to 5, again condition is true, but in if it is not matching the condition, so it will directly print the value of I as 4. Then it will make the value of I as 5. 5 is less than equals to 5, condition is true, but here if condition is not true, so it will not enter if, and it will directly print the value of I as 5. Then again it will come here and increment 1 in the value of I, making it 6. Now 6 is less than equals to 5, condition is false, so it will terminate loop. Same way we can do other programs also, like I want to print the series of numbers from 1 to 100, skipping all the numbers divisible by 2. In that case also we can use continue.